Yeah, so the problem that I'm getting is that I had already informed this to Lenovo support team. So they have done a very good job, and they have sent me the technician, and he changes the motherboard. So after changing the motherboard, for the 2 days, laptop was working smoothly. Now I can see on 6th again this problem is happening. I don't know what's the reason. So suppose if I type, you know in browser, if anything I'm trying to type, it's something unusual happening. I'm trying to type Google, but it is opening, you know something else. For example, now I'm trying to I'll try to type YouTube. Why? Oh, something weird is happening. Let me type maybe Mozilla. Mo. Something strange happening, not working. Let's open YouTube. Let's open any of the video. Now this problem is having again.
Really, stuck, and there's no fuel.
Listen.
New York, September 11th, 2018.
It's freezing.
High up in the skies, Air
I'm
India
getting
101
glitches
is
between
approaching John F.
the
Kennedy
videos.
International Airport for a second attempt to land. This plane has just suffered
Clear evidence.
multiple sensitive instrument failures. After a 14-hour flight, they are running low on fuel. They've also lost the ILS, the device that helps the pilots land the plane, especially in poor weather. Outside the cockpit, it's raining.
I don't know what's happening.
With clouds all around them, the pilots are flying blind, and it's
So my motherboard got changed. Before that also I was having the same problem, and after changing the motherboard, I'm you know the it's the same problem. So please help.